Alright, back again. Talking about that over there right now. Uh, Robots are largely for AI, but in this particular case, this is a human operated robot. It goes in there. So you would buy the space drone from us, and you would buy a human operated robot, and you can take your space drone to wherever you want to take it and load it up with your human operated robot that you have, and you can use it with your transceiver, and you will be able to take your human operated robot anywhere across the solar system and then across the galaxy based on your transceiver and your parabolic antenna hookup with that over there, and it'll be on the same thing. So you have a space drone on your transceiver, and then you have your human operated robot on your transceiver, and you can travel with other people. You can do other things, such as all kinds of things with that. You'll be able to hang out with people and move places, shoot, go to habitable planets, but we do highly recommend you don't. But that would be the Pacific case, and you would be in there, like I said. Uh, you never leave the earth at all. It's pretty much safe. It's ocean safe. You never have a problem, and you can go anywhere. You can shoot and be a hunt. You can what join the corporation that has space drones like that, and human operated robots like this, and the human operated machines like this, and that's pretty much it. It covers everything you need to know about that at the beginning. Thanks.